Hey, this is Nathan Gist, and I want to speak straight to the part of you that's been waiting. Waiting for the right time. Waiting for the motivation. Waiting until it feels easier. Let me tell you something. That could change everything. You're one good decision away from momentum. Not a perfect decision. Not a guaranteed outcome. Not a massive, life-altering leap that fixes everything overnight. Just one good decision. That's how it starts. One choice to shift, to take ownership, to move instead of sitting in the fog of hesitation. See, the reason most people stay stuck isn't because they're not smart enough, or disciplined enough, or clear enough. It's because they keep trying to think their way into perfect clarity instead of acting their way into alignment. And the truth is, clarity follows movement. Confidence follows movement. Progress follows movement. But none of it starts until you decide. And I'm not talking about some big, dramatic, all or nothing moment. I'm talking about a decision so small, it might seem invisible, but powerful enough to shift your trajectory. A decision to show up anyway, make the call, hit publish, speak up, say no, say yes, get honest with yourself, start again. Just one. Because momentum is not some magical force that shows up when the stars align. Momentum is built in the trenches, one decision at a time. It's when you choose to act before you feel ready. It's when you say, I don't need to have the whole picture, I just need to take the next right step. It's when you stop negotiating with fear and start leading your life again. Let me ask you something. What if today you stopped waiting? What if you stopped making motivation a requirement for movement? What if you stopped measuring your decision by how comfortable they feel and started measuring by who they help you to become? Because here's what I know. When you make one good decision, something changes. Your posture shifts. Your identity starts to evolve. You start proving to yourself, not just thinking or hoping, but proving to yourself that you are not stuck. You're just one step away from momentum. See, that decision might not be sexy. It might not be big, but it's real. And real decisions always create ripple effects. One good decision can interrupt the entire cycle. One good decision can shut down the old story and spark a new one. One good decision can wake up something in you that's been buried under guilt, fear, procrastination, or perfectionism. So here's my challenge. Don't leave this moment without making one good decision. It doesn't have to fix everything. It just has to move you forward. You're not stuck because you're incapable. You're stuck because you're waiting. But you were never designed to wait for power. You were designed to create it. So choose. And trust that the momentum that you've been craving, the clarity that you've been needing, the breakthrough that you've been praying for, it starts right here. With one good decision. Now get it done.